Hi, and welcome to the Waterfront construction update for June 2019. The first stage of the town centre has now completed, with Woolworths and the first specialty shops all trading. The next stage of the town centre retail has also commenced construction, with a further 3 shops underway on the northern side of the main street. The road network for the future sections of the town centre are complete, and these roads have recently been opened, providing greater access to the existing shops. The public piazza, which will include alfresco dining, water play features and access to the waterfront, will commence construction shortly, with an expected opening between July and August 2019. Piling commenced for the marina in February 2019, with 30 piles installed to date. Construction of the breakwall and groin is now progressing really well towards final completion. Final detail work is now underway, including the placement of rock work at the harbour interface and construction of concrete paths on top of the breakwall and groin. These concrete paths will provide access for the public's use and for future maintenance. The last stage of surcharge mounding is under construction in the area in the vicinity of the now closed section of Bass Point Tourist Road. The mounding will be completed in approximately 2 months' time and will be removed after it has completed its work next year. An amazing result was achieved with the first auction sale of beachfront land lots, with 3 lots sold at auction for prices ranging between $1.3 million to $1.5 million. A further beachfront land release is planned between July and August this year, with another 3 premium beachfront lots and 3 beachside lots to be released. Land subdivision works have now completed for our oystercatcher and sanderling releases, with purchasers progressing to settlements and preparing designs for their new homes. The development applications for the Aqua Apartments, Restaurant Precinct and Tavern have now been approved. This is great news, and we should now see construction commence on these elements of the project in the next few months. The delay in the approval has unfortunately also affected the program for opening of the marina, as these approvals also include car parking and access for the marina. Our current expectation as a result is that the marina will now be open and operational by the second quarter of 2021. As you can see, there's been some really good progress made over the past few months. Thanks for watching, and please keep an eye out for future updates on the waterfrontshellcove.com.au.